Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Canva in MacBook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the Apple Store. As you can see, I have opened the App Store, and simply if you want to open this from here, you can also do that. Or if you want to open this from the launchpad, you can also do that. It's up to you. There, as you can see, all the apps are here. So what I'm going to do, simply we have to go to the App Store. So I'm going to click on this. And after this, as you can see, I have searched for the Canva. You also have to search for the Canva and then press the enter. And after that, you will see the suggestions here. As you can see, the Canva is here. Now simply we have to click on the get, and after that we have to click on the install. And after that, it will take few seconds in downloading. So as you can see, now it's asking for the code. We have to provide the Apple account password. So I'm going to write the password here. And then simply we have to press on the get, and it will load and it will check the password. And after that, the Canva downloading process will be started. As you can see, now it's done and it's downloading. After the completion of downloading, you can use the Canva on your MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the Canva on MacBook. You just have to follow my steps, and after this you will be able to play the Canva on your PC. So see you guys in the next video.